Hello, everyone, and welcome. Bill Hammond, founder of Casey Elder Law Firm, here today for our next installment of our Casey Elder Law interview series. And it is my great pleasure to have Bonnie Smith from Benton House here with us. So welcome, Bonnie.
Thank you so much, Bill. Great to be with you this afternoon.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. We really appreciate that. So, Bonnie, I know that there are Benton houses all over the area, and you guys do a great job. Tell us a little bit about what makes Benton House unique, and then you guys have a program that in particular I want to ask you about.
Yeah, thank you, Bill. Well, there are 6 Benton houses in the Kansas City area. They all kind of circumvent right around the whole metro area. I'd say what makes us unique, for one thing, is definitely our caregivers and our staff. I mean, that's what makes every community and the residents, that's what makes every community unique, regardless of the company.
Sure.
So I'm often asked, well, which one is the best? Which, they all have their great personality and cultures, and I just love them. In terms of our community and how it differs from others, we're small. We only have about 45, 50, depending upon the specific community, about 45 to 50 apartments. We're all on one floor, no stairs, no elevators, no escalators. We're really well suited for that person who's looking for a smaller, kind of a homey feel, not wanting the energy of a campus per se,
Yep.
but just wants to be comfortable and in a small space where everybody knows their name and they know everybody else's name.
Yeah, that's fantastic. And I know you guys have a program that I think are introducing called Benton House at Home. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah, tell us about that. We caught wind of it. That's why you're on here.
Yes. Well, and you will know well, as well, maybe many of your listeners can relate to this. We have so many families that come through with tours with their parents or their grandparents, and the kids and the grandkids are all on board saying, oh, this is great. Please move in. You only have all your meals. Everybody will take care of you. You got to have fun social. And their grandparents or parents are like, no, not going to leave home. I'm not going to leave my comfort of home. It's paid for, and so they remain home, and the family is sleepless because they're worried about them falling or having accidents, not getting their medications, not eating well. So what we've offered, this is kind of an interim place for those people who aren't quite ready to leave home and come to a Benton House yet. We're going to come home. We're going to help them stay home and help the family keep them home safely by doing just a very minimally, it's not invasive at all. We're calling them Monday through Fridays. We're calling them every morning to check to see if they've taken their medications, how they're doing, how's the day going to go anywhere, just a little bit of chit chat.
Is that about the same time every day, Bonnie?
Yep. Based on their own. If they like to get up and shower and be ready by 9 or 9:30, we'll wait till after their shower, make sure they got out safely.
Yeah. This is a check-in call.
Yeah, it's a little check-in call. And then Monday through Fridays, we also deliver a hot meal to them. And so we're getting to them. We get to eyeball them and talk to them again. They have a personal emergency pendant, a hands-free pendant is part of our program. So if there is ever a time that there is an accident or a fall or something, they've got their emergency contacts, right? During this time of COVID, that is what our services are limited to. Before COVID hit, and we will return back to it again, we will also once a week go into their home to do their house cleaning and change their linens for them each week. And then also provide them with transportation to come back to a Benton House activity so they're not so isolated socially and getting lonely.
Yeah.
So this
what would examples, Bonnie, what would examples be of the types of activities that people would be able to come back to?
Well, it depends on what their interests are, because we've got activities going on every day, all the time. But some of the more popular ones are that most of our communities have a Thursday afternoon happy hour where we have musicians and entertainers who come in, and then some beverages of their choice. So that's always a popular one. But there are some people who really like bingo. They want to come when we're playing bingo and take home some prizes,
Sure.
Others might say, you know what, I'd kind of like to come for that exercise class you have, and we'll, get them there for that. So it really depends on what their interests are.
And is the program available around all the Benton houses at this point in time? Are you just rolling it out where?
Right now, we're rolling it out in the Northland.
Uh-huh.
So everywhere from like Parkville over to Liberty up to Smithville is where we're doing this right now. We have 2 communities in the Northland who can support that, both Tiffany Springs and Staley Hills. So we are.
How's the response been?
The response has been nice. Now with COVID, we've had an interesting situation that so many more kids are staying home now that they're able to provide that kind of midweek care that they were not when they were working outside the home. So, and that's a good thing too, because really what we are, I mean, we want people to just be in the best place that they can be emotionally and physically. And if the kids or grandkids can help take care of them while they're at home, oh, that's even all the better,
Sure. Oh, absolutely. I had that situation in my office this morning where it would have been a situation where in the past, the parents would have moved into a community, but they've got kids and grandkids. They've got 6 grandkids and a couple kids. And so the family's just taken over. And like you said, that's a good thing. Not everybody can do that, but that's a good thing.
Yeah, right. I think that's kind of the platinum lining in this COVID cloud for those people who can be with family and help them out. It's really, I think, been an extra blessing. Unfortunately, as you know, Bill, there are lots of families who maybe live out of state. The kids aren't close by, they don't have that opportunity. And the at-home program is something that can help them stay at home as long as possible, but still have that safety net.
Sure.
One other aspect of our program, once the COVID situation has allowed us to get back into their homes again to do the house cleaning and stuff, we also have an extension of that program that we can get in the house a couple of times a week to help them with personal care. So if they need help showering, if they need help bathing, or just fixing their hair or doing shaving, what have you, we're also able to do that. But once this COVID situation is over.
Yeah, and right now with what's going on with COVID, are families able to visit residents at this time?
In our communities?
Yes.
Yes. We've been having outdoor visits where people were coming out. We had over the summer and into the fall, we had tents and outside tables. Sure. Starting next week, we're having families and friends can come in for visits inside the building, taking great precautions with cleanliness and sanitation and masks and distance and that sort of thing. But
oh yeah, no, we get that. I mean, here at Casey Elder Law, we have great big conference rooms. So when we meet with clients, we social distance, we wear masks, we scrub down afterwards. And so we're able to carry on. And for those folks who are not comfortable coming in or they just can't, we do Zooms, we do phone calls, but so, we're all learning a different lifestyle based on what's been going on.
Yeah.
Bonnie, if someone wants to reach you to learn more about the Benton House at Home program, how do they find you?
Well, I'd say the best thing they could do would be they could either call their local Benton House, and there's 6 of them, so I'm not going to list all the numbers.
No, that's good.
Okay. Or they can call, my number is 816-5500-837.
Okay, and that was 816-5500-837. I passed the cognitive test, I guess. Plus I had
no doubt.
Yeah, plus I took notes. And as always, folks, if you've got questions on any elder care or elder law issues at all, please give us a call here at KC Elder Law Firm. Of course, as you know, we have offices in Corporate Woods and Overland Park, Lee Summit, Kearney, Missouri. You can visit us online at kcelderlaw.com or give us a call at 913-338-5713. Again, 913-338-5713, or kcelderlaw.com. See us online. Bonnie, thanks so much for taking some time out today. Appreciate it.
Oh, it was my pleasure. Thanks so much for the opportunity, Bill. Take care. Blessings. Stay safe.
Thanks, you too.